So 2016 Audi Q5 Premium Plus with 35,000 miles, still has factory warranty remaining. Comes with keyless entry, push button start, self-folding side mirrors, leather power adjustable seats. Parking sensors, park distance control, heated seats, CD player, navigation, sunroof, rear power liftgate. For more information, call 610-254-8000 at Fred Beans Volkswagen of Devon, Pennsylvania.